Okay, we are in Missouri. We are almost to the Illinois border. Jesse's driving right now at the moment. And oh yeah, no, don't do that. Ladies and gentlemen, do not try this at home. We've got, I guess it's blizzard conditions. I don't really think so, but it barely looks like any snow to me. It's not making me sick, I don't know what is. There's our truck back there. Chilling. Yep. We're pretty tired. We're ready to get there. Oh, and look at this. Look at these mile markers. They count every mile. 0.6, 0.8, 0.0. Every little bit. So it's kind of nauseating. But we're getting there. We'll see you soon.